Hi guys, and welcome to Crumbs Doilies HQ and another Tuesday tip. And this one is for those of you who find it difficult to get hold of buttermilk. Now, buttermilk pops up a few times in some of my recipes and it's kind of important if you need it. So if you can't get hold of it or you've run out, this is the perfect hack for you. And Nikki is going to show you how to make your own. Over to you, Nikki.
Okay, this couldn't be any easier. You literally need 2 ingredients. We've got milk and lemon juice. We're going to combine them and that's it. So for every 250 ml of milk, you'll need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We're just going to combine that and then you leave it to set for 10 to 15 minutes and it will really thicken up, just like buttermilk. That is now going to set and thicken up a bit. This is one that we did earlier, which as you can see is a lot thicker. This coincidentally is actually the perfect amount for Cupcake Jemma's red velvet cakes, so you should totally give that a try. We'll be back in 2 weeks with another Tuesday tip, and this Thursday, Gemma's got a masterclass for your meringues, so make sure you tune in for that. See you later.